everyone. So this slide is about Age of Romanticism. Romantic poets are William Wordsworth, Samuel Taylor Coleridge, Lord Byron, P.B. Shelley, and John Keats. Romantic movement. Romantic movement actually started with the publication of lyrical ballads in 1798, which William Wordsworth published with Samuel Taylor Coleridge. The second edition of this book got published in 1800, in which Wordsworth included more poems and also added a preface. The next edition of the book got published in 1802, in which Wordsworth added poetic diction. In 1798 edition of Lyrical Ballads, there were 23 poems, out of which 4 were written by Samuel Taylor Coleridge, which are The Rime of Ancient Mariner, The Nightingale, The Foster Mother's Tale, and other poems like The Dungeon and Love got added in 1800s edition. Wordsworth's popular poems in this book are Tinton Abbey, The Idiot Boy, We Are Seven, The Thorn, etc. The Romantic Period. Romanticism was a movement in art and literature in 18th century and early 19th century against neoclassicism and enlightenment. The Romantic period starts with the reign of George III and ends with the accession of Queen Victoria in 1837. Friedrich Schlegel, a German poet and a literary critic, has been held responsible for using the term romantic in literature. Friedrich Schlegel has defined the term romantic as literature depicting emotional matter in imaginative form. Victor Hugo, a French poet, calls romanticism as liberalism in literature. The meaning of the word romantic according to the Middle Ages is courtly romance. Important highlights of Romanticism. Romanticism emphasized upon individuality, intuition, and idealism. Spontaneity, freedom from rules and conventions, solitude, superiority of imagination and creativity over reason and rational thinking, worshipping beauty, love for nature, looking back to Middle Ages for inspiration, interest in popular myths, emotions and feelings, subjective experience, rebellion against industrialization, love for the countryside. Celebration of nature. Nature is celebrated in the works of romantic poets. Wordsworth admires the beauty of daffodils in his poem I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud in these lines. For oft, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon the inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. John Keats celebrates nature in his poems like Ode to Autumn and Ode to Nightingale, and even in other poems also. Shelley celebrates nature in Ode to the West Wind, where he calls West Wind both as a preserver as well as destroyer. Romantic poets were also influenced by Plato's ideas. Wordsworth believed in supreme power which flows through all objects of nature in his poem Tinton Abbey. This idea is also borrowed from Plato. Shelley talks about intellectual beauty. The idea is also borrowed from Plato. Critics on Romanticism. Rani Wellek, an American critic, stated that Romanticism stands for a new kind of poetry which was opposed to neoclassical poetry of the previous age, and it was inspired by Middle Ages and Renaissance. George Wilhelm Friedrich Hegel and Friedrich Wilhelm Joseph Schelling, German philosophers, stated that the term Romanticism symbolizes a division between the society and the self, and this term denotes modernity according to them. M.H. Abraham states that romantic art is expressive rather than mimetic. Mimetic means imitation. In his book, The Mirror and Lamp, which got published in 1953, he argues that romantic art is like a lamp which throws out images originated in the poet himself, and classic art is like a mirror which reflects existing reality. And here this ends.